Kasama ko na si Sis Andy. We're now here walking for, Valkyrie. Pero kakain muna kami sa may brewery kasi wala namang food. I think parang finger food lang siguro yun or cocktails, no sis? Baka magutom, mahirap na, hindi pwedeng magutom. So, ito yung outfit ko. Pink lang na na dress. And yung bag. Tapos si Sis Andy yung outfit niya. Oh, Gandara.
Nag-lecture ako today.
Gandara Park. So, dito kami kakain sa brewery. Katabi lang siya ng Valkyrie. Yeah. Hi guys! We're walking now to Valkyrie. Yan, si Sis Andy. Kumain muna kami sa, sa brewery kasi nagutom ako eh. Si Sis nagano lang siya.
Ice cream.
Nag-ice cream lang siya. Ako nagkanin talaga ako. Kasi feeling ko mahihimatay ako sa loob.
Kapag servings.
Naubos ko siya in fairness kahit malaki yung serving niya.
Moisturizing cream. Party na! Yes! Picture muna kami! Thank you so much!
But I just wanted to share some of my tips with you guys. And the first step with me is to take care of your skin. Ano yung favorite na products mo?
Sila Abby, tsaka sila Chris. Kasi nandito sila. I'm not sure where they are. So, magilibot-libot muna kami. Logo I found! My best friend. And the best friend, hi! May YouTube din siya. Instagram. Instagram, Brent Lim. Yun, follow niyo siya. Ganda-ganda talaga niya. Joke lang. Ba't ang ganda-ganda mo? Hi! Hoarding gold.
We also have free mask. The Lebaton Aloe Soothing Mask is for problematic skin, irritated skin, or maybe you have acne. Pearl Whitening Essence is for whitening the skin. And then the Lebaton Aqua Hydrating Essence Mask is for if you have dry skin or maybe wrinkled skin.
The powder that everyone's talking about. Hi guys! Oh my God! Look at this guys! Ang cute ng packaging ng powder! It's so cute! Guys, ang ganda ng packaging ng kanilang cushion at binigyan nila kami ng free sample. The beautiful!
You won a free trip to Korea!
Yay! So let me see some hands. So, for those of you who came here and mentioned my name, so let me see.
Sige, feel pa sis.
natin na makita ni Kay Beautiful.
Uwi na sila, bebe. Uwi na sila, guys. We're ready.
So there's no sense in the Martha. You're so pretty and romantic in her lashes. So the hair. 2 years ko na tinanong hair.
Oh, nabalik muna kami ni Sis Andy sa car.
Kasi namalangga kami.
Yung akin, ganda guys, in. Plastic talaga siya.
Uy, in fairness, ang bait ng mga taga-Valkyrie ha. I'm making him pahingi sa plastic. Talagang arte yung sila tayo. Kasi sa BGC tayo guys, kailangan
Yes,
ng arte.
kailangan mo arte. We're making hingi the plastic bag.
We're making hingi the plastic.
And they gave us an X bag and a white plastic bag.
Tama na nga. Baka mamaya masampal tayo ng mga tao.
Correct. Guys, tapos na yung party. Ngayon ko lang mag-vlog si Ayo.
Pain ko na wala.
Finally met her. Kasama ko.
Grabe, hindi naman. Ano ko ba?
Kasama ko sa kanila mag-archery. Tuturuan ako ni Ana. 34, yeah. Thank you. Hi guys! Ayan na. Jessica! AKA real life mermaid. Siya talaga yun.
Yung hair niya lagi
Totoo, super sexy.
Oh, wait, we met each other already.
First time to meet.
Thank you so much, Martha. Martha Dante. Tama ba yung
Jante.
Jante.
Yun.
I've always wondered, like, parang French ba? Jante.
Ay, naku, pareho kayo ni Chris.
Akala
Si Chris nung bagi, Jante.
Do you like Jante?
Diba?
Jante.
Parang pasosyalin mo.
Nice to meet you. You're always such a busy person. Wala ka lagi sa Philippines.
Thank you.
Guys, thank you for coming.